Hey, this is lesson 6.3, and we're talking about the percent proportion, which is where we use a proportion to solve percentage problems. It says you can represent A is P percent of W with the proportion A over W equals P over 100. A is the part of the whole. W is the whole amount we're talking about. And P is the percent. And we always put that over 100 because percent means per 100. So you can look how it shows where the numbers, the part goes over the whole, and the percent is the other ratio. The study tip is really helpful. In percent problems, the word of is usually followed by the whole. So when we're looking at a percent problem, we look for the word of, and whatever number comes directly after that is the whole amount, and that goes in the bottom of the first ratio. In example 1 here, we're finding the percent. It says, what percent of 15 is 12? So what percent? That means we're looking for the percent. So we'll put the P over 100. We put the variable in the place that we're trying to find. Of 15 lets us know that 15 is the whole amount, and the other number is 12. So that goes over the whole, which is the part. So 12 over 15 equals P over 100. Then we solve this proportion with cross products, and we find that P equals 80. So 80% of 15 is 12. In this second example, we're finding the part. It says, what number is 36% of 50? Well, 36%, the percent sign lets us know that's the percent, so the 36 goes in place of P over 100. Of 50 lets us know that the 50 is the whole amount, so that goes down in place of W. What's left? A. That's what we're looking for. So we have A over 50 equals 36 over 100, and we use cross products. Now, one thing I like to do before I do cross products, and they didn't do it in this problem, but I like to simplify either ratio that could be simplified. I would have simplified 36 over 100. In fact, I would have simplified it to 18 over 50. That would make this a really easy problem. A over 50 equals 18 over 50. I wonder what A could be. A is 18, of course, so 18 is the answer. In example 3, we're finding the whole. It says 150% of what number is 24? Well, the 150 has the percent sign. It's easy to know that that goes in place of P, so we have the 150 over 100. Of lets us know that's the whole amount, and what comes directly after the word of? What? That means they don't know. Of what? So that's where our variable goes, down in the whole amount. And then 24 is the other number. That goes in place of A. So we have 24 over W equals 150 over 100. Now again, I would have simplified the completed ratio to get 3 over 2. Because you could divide top and bottom by 50. 24 over W equals 3 over 2. We could use cross products for that, or you could use multiplication on top and bottom to find out that W equals 16. So 150% of 16 is 24. Here are some problems to do on your own. Now remember, you're writing these as a proportion. So line equals line, and then we're going to fill in the proportion. For all of the numbers, actually, first look for the number with the percent sign. Put that in place of P. Then look for the number that follows the word of. Put that in the whole amount. And then, if there's another number there, that goes in place of A. Then you can use cross products to solve the proportions.